What's going on, everybody? It is your man Cleveland Terry, and today we're going to chat a little bit. We're going to chat a little bit about the video that I posted yesterday. We're going to chat a little bit about Skratch Attach. Now, we're all familiar with the whole YouTube thing and kind of the anonymous reaction to things. People feel like they can just say what they want without fear of repercussion because, well, you know, I'm over here and you're over there. So they do what they want. Now, obviously, the Skratch Attach has received very, very positive reaction, which is great. It's been positive since it came out, but I posted it on a Facebook forum and then everybody came out. Why? This is stupid. Why would you do this? Waste of time. When I see things like that, I pull what little hair I have left out of my head because it makes me so absolutely frustrated because somebody made something. Somebody sat down, took out some tools, and crafted something that can be used. Something that nobody else has thought of. They created something. And you do your best to just tear them down. I didn't even make the thing. I'm just sitting here as a defender like, what's wrong with you people out there? And when I say you people, I mean you people, not you people. You know what I'm saying? So I've been seeing all kinds of comments. One comment in particular is people that keep saying, why would they make this? We're moving to digital. Nobody wants this. And then I start to think, I think people don't understand what the definition of niche is. The definition of niche, a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. Do you know what that means? That means it's not for everyone. Niche means it's for a specific type of person. So, if you're not in that niche, shut up! Now, I say that in the most positive way I can because I think people have forgotten how to be objective. I think you need to step back for a minute and take a look at the bigger picture. Not just the picture about you, but the bigger picture. You are one piece in a very large picture. The but why people. Why not? You know, when the first guy to climb Mount Everest, they asked him, why would you even do this? And he said, because it was there. Because it was there. I think of the movie Robots.
So, look around for a need and start coming up with ideas to fill that need. See a need, fill a need.
One person saw a need for something and filled it. And you think you have the right to try to cut this man down? Stop. If you've never made anything in your life, if you've never made anything but money to buy a product from somebody that made that product, shut up! I can't tell you how many times I will review a product and somebody will come back and say, well, I have this product. I don't see any reason for moving over. Good for you. Nobody told you to. Nobody's forcing you to do anything you don't want to do. That's the joy of being a human being. You do what you want to do. If you don't like something, don't buy it. Sometimes we get selfish and we don't think that, you know what? I have an opinion on this, but somebody else might have a completely different opinion. Your opinion is not the only opinion in the world. And yes, I'm talking about this one particular thing, but this is a global issue. I see it all the time. You forget, I review products left and right. I can't tell you how many times people just forget that the world does not revolve around them. So the next time you see somebody, you see an artist and they're making music or they've created something that nobody's ever heard. They've painted a picture that nobody's ever seen before. And you look at it and you say, that's stupid. That's dumb.
I invented the piano key necktie. I invented it. What have you done? Nothing. You've done nothing. Nothing.